I believe mornings are the most productive time of the day. There are no distractions and I get so much done. For me, productivity is everything. That's why I choose TDM. My name is Julio Vasconcelos. I am engineering manager for Sandvik Coromant at our production unit here in Mebane, North Carolina.
My name is Leandro Pereira. I'm an automation engineer at Sandvik Coromant.
My name is Denny Page. I'm an operator and team lead for standard production for Sandvik Coromant.
Sandvik Coromant is the leading supplier for tools, tooling solutions, and know-how for the manufacturing industry. TDM will provide a variety of solutions from CAD/CAM solutions to inventory system to machine solutions. We are currently using the tooling, the assembly, and the simulation part of it.
Here on the production floor, we use the TDM Global line. It's very easy to use, very good interface, user-friendly, simple to pick up, and is full of all the information that you could possibly need.
Prior to TDM, it was very difficult for us to rely and trust on the information we had. The information was very fragmented, and then TDM helped us to bring everything together. What TDM did for us, and it became the center of the information that runs the entire facility in terms of tooling.
Now we can produce different products in all machines we have in the shop floor. Before we couldn't, because the machines were like using only those tools for those specific products. Now we can run any product in any machine. And when you have this type of flexibility, of course, you increase your productivity.
Using TDM from an operator standpoint is very simple. It's very well thought out, laid out software. You know, you put in a tool number and everything pops up right there. You can click, you can see the 3D models, your build list of the tool as far as your collets, the holder, the tool itself, but extremely user-friendly.
TDM has so many features, but if I had to pick the top three, I would say the ability to create tools for different softwares, the flexibility to have live data in all the machines and computer in productions and anywhere in engineering, and also the fact that when I need to assemble a tool, all the information, all my spare parts are readily available. The top three benefits is among the machines. Now we can, in a very safe way, transfer products from machine to machine. It's also very good for the engineer when we are doing development that we have the information that's accurate. We know exactly what is at the machine. And then the time that we save in production, when the operator needs to create a tool assembly, the information is there. So before he was hunting for spare parts and information, now it's on his hands, so it's much faster to create a tool assembly.
With TDM being implemented now, we have seen a great increase in production. We can trust more what we receive from the engineering department. The simulation software that we use is accurate. We don't have to worry about machine crashes. And we have reliable data that we can always go to when we need to add different tools. The data's there. We know that it's running through the simulation correctly. There's not a difference from one machine to the next. If there's a question about spindle speeds or feeds, all that data is in there for us to see at all times.
I would really recommend TDM. It has been very successful here in Sandvik Coromant, and it's helping me a lot in my daily work.
At the end of the day, the machines are running more, and then in more reliable way, so we trust the information that's there. I would definitely recommend it to anybody that's looking for a way of managing better the tools.